Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Venkat Reddy. I'm a spoken English trainer. I teach how to speak in English. Today, my topic is how to tell time in English. English లో టైం ఎలా చెప్పాలి? రెగ్యులర్ గా మనం చెప్పుకుంటా ఉంటాం. Simply somebody may ask, అరే టైం ఎంతరా? What is the time? You can tell simply it's 3:30, it's 3:20, it's 3:40. Likewise, we'll tell. But in English, we have to follow some rules and regulations while you are telling time. And see here, this is a clock. Here I have drawn 12:1. Likewise, I have drawn a clock, and here I have shown only minutes hand and hours hand. This is hours hand, and this is minutes hand. This is hours hand, and this is minutes hand. And see here, I have divided this clock into two parts. From 12 to 6, this is half clock. I mentioned here past. 6 to 12, I have decided some other half part, and here I mentioned 2, keyword 2. This is past time, and this is 2 time. Why I have divided these timings like past and 2? Because if the minutes hand is keep on moving from 12 to 6, it is in between these two timings. If it is crossed 6, simply it is comes close to the next time. For example, now the time is 1 o'clock. Now the time is 1 o'clock. If I move this minutes hand from here to here, means 12 to 1 means it's already done 5 minutes. It's already done 5 minutes. Simply you can tell the time like 5 minutes past 1 o'clock. 5 minutes past 1 o'clock. Now the minutes hand is on 2. Means here 5 minutes and here 5 minutes. Total 10 minutes. From 12 to 2, it's 10 minutes. Now the minutes hand has covered 10 minutes. After completion of 10 minutes, now the time is 10 minutes past 1 o'clock. 10 minutes past 1 o'clock. Next, now the minutes hand is moved to here. Now the minutes hand has covered 50 minutes. 5, 5, 5 means total 50 minutes. The minutes hand has covered 50 minutes. Simply you can see here, this is half part, means this is quarter part. Means already the minutes hand has covered quarter clock. మనం తెలుగులో చెప్తాం ఒకటి పావు అని. పావు మీన్స్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో క్వార్టర్ అంటాం. మీన్స్ క్వార్టర్ పాస్ట్ 1 o'clock. క్వార్టర్ పాస్ట్ 1 o'clock. నెక్స్ట్ ద మినిట్స్ హ్యాండ్ హ్యాస్ మూవ్ ఫ్రమ్ there to here. Means now the minutes hand has covered 5, 5, 5 and 5. 5 fours are 20. Means now the minutes hand has covered 20 minutes. Simply now the time is 20 minutes past 1 o'clock. 20 minutes past 1 o'clock. Next, now the minutes hand has covered here up to here. Means the minutes hand has covered half of the clock. Simply you can tell the time like 30 minutes past 1 o'clock or half past 1 o'clock. Next, now the minutes hand has moved from 12 to 7. Means 5, 5, 5. 7 5s are 35. Simply you can tell 35 minutes past 1 o'clock. But it is wrong. Simply you have to tell now the time with respect to 2 o'clock. Means this is 2 time. Simply how many minutes less? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Means 5 5s are 25. Means now the time less 25 minutes less than 2 o'clock. Means now the hours hand move little close to 2 o'clock. Simply you can tell 25 minutes to 2 o'clock. If the minutes hand move here, simply you can tell the time like 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 fours are 20. Means 20 minutes to 2 o'clock. 20 minutes to 2 o'clock. If the minutes hand is moved here, simply 5, 5, 5 means 15. We can simply tell pavu takkuva 2 means pavu means quarter. Quarter to 2 o'clock. Next, if the minutes hand has moved to here, simply you can tell 5 means 10 minutes. 10 minutes to 2 o'clock. This is 10 minutes to 2 o'clock. If the minutes hand has moved here, means only 5 minutes less. Means 5 minutes to 2 o'clock. If the minutes hand has moved here, simply we can tell it's 2 o'clock. This is the way of telling time in English. I hope you have understood my class. Thank you. Have a nice day.